Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Cat Lady is probably one of the most sought-after items for any feline enthusiast looking to embrace their inner cat whisperer, offering a delightful blend of comfort, style, and a touch of whimsy that perfectly captures the essence of a devoted cat lover's lifestyle, making it an ideal choice for those who want to showcase their passion for their furry companions in a fun and fashionable way. Number 5. Cavertin Novelty Socks Collection. Discover a delightful collection of novelty socks designed to express your unique style. Perfect for gifting or treating yourself. Show off your love for furry friends with our adorable cat and dog-themed socks. They're a pawsome addition to any outfit. Curl up with a good book in these charming socks. They're designed for ultimate comfort and literary flair. Add a touch of fun to your day with our playful llama, unicorn, sloth, and corgi designs. These socks are sure to bring a smile. Presented in a beautiful gift box, these socks make an ideal present for any occasion. Surprise someone special with a pair they'll adore. From cat moms to dog lovers, there's a pair for everyone. Let your personality shine through with these fun and fashionable socks. What we like. These socks are a fantastic way to show off your love for cats and other fun things. They come in a cute gift box, making them perfect for presents. If you're looking for a comfortable and quirky addition to your wardrobe, these are a great choice. What people say. The game is a great strategy game that is easy to learn but offers a lot of depth. The artwork is beautiful and the components are high quality. It's a fun and engaging game that can be played with family and friends. Number 4. Cat Lady's Organic Cat Grass Growing Kit. Your cat deserves the best nutrition. Our blend of organic wheat, oat, barley, and ryegrass adds essential fiber to their diet for healthy digestion and natural hairball control. It's a tasty treat they'll love. Growing your own cat grass is simple. Just add water to the soil disc, sprinkle the seeds, and watch it sprout up to 4 inches in just 4 to 7 days. No special skills needed. Our organic, GMO-free cat grass is not only good for your feline friends but also for you. It helps deter them from eating toxic houseplants and digging up your favorite flowers. This planter is more than just a growing kit, it's a charming piece of decor. Its compact, white kitty mug design adds a touch of green and cuteness to your home. Inside the box, you'll find everything to get started: a cute white cat planter, a soil disc, organic edible grass seeds, and easy-to-follow instructions. It's the perfect gift for any cat lover. What we like. This kit provides your feline friend with essential nutrients and fiber for healthy digestion and hairball control. It's incredibly simple to grow, even if you don't have a green thumb. If your cat is an indoor dweller and you want to provide them with a healthy, safe treat while keeping them away from your houseplants, this is the perfect option. What people say. The game is a cooperative game where players work together to collect cats and care for them. Players must manage resources like food and litter to keep their cats happy and healthy. The game features a variety of cat breeds, each with unique needs and abilities. Number 3. Accoutrements Crazy Cat Lady Action Figure. Introducing the Crazy Cat Lady Action Figure from Accoutrements. This unique collectible is sure to bring a smile to any cat lover's face. She's never alone. This figure comes complete with 6 adorable cats, ready to join her on any adventure. Crafted from hard vinyl, this figure is built to last. Its sturdy construction ensures it can withstand plenty of play and display. She's got a look that says it all. The wild-eyed expression adds a touch of quirky charm to this already delightful character. Presented in an illustrated window box, this action figure makes a perfect gift. You can see all the details before you even open it. This multicolored figure stands at 8 inches tall, making it a prominent addition to any collection. Its vibrant colors are eye-catching and fun. What we like. This action figure captures the essence of a true cat enthusiast with its playful design and accompanying feline friends. It's a fun, quirky collectible for anyone who embraces the crazy cat lady lifestyle. If you appreciate humorous and unique collectibles, this is a must-have for your display. What people say. The game has a great theme and the artwork is beautiful. It's a fun and engaging game that offers a good amount of strategy. The components are high quality and the gameplay is easy to learn. Number 2. Funny black cat, are you pooping? Vintage bathroom decor poster. Add a touch of whimsy to your space with this quirky and humorous design. It features a black cat and a funny question, perfect for any bathroom or living area. Crafted from high-quality metal, this piece is built to last. Its sturdy construction ensures it can withstand everyday wear and tear, making it a long-lasting decorative item. This piece is ideal for bathroom decor but versatile enough for any room. Its vintage and Gothic style fits perfectly with witchy or eclectic home themes. Installation is a breeze with pre-drilled holes. Simply attach it to your wall with nails or hooks, and enjoy your new, unique wall art. This makes a great gift for cat lovers or anyone who appreciates humor. It's a fun and practical way to express personality and a sense of humor. What we like? Add a touch of quirky humor to your home with this vintage-inspired metal wall art. Its durable construction ensures it will last, and it's simple to hang in any room. If you love a good laugh and have a penchant for Gothic or eclectic decor, this piece is ideal for your bathroom or living space. What people say. The game has a lot of cute cat cards with different breeds and abilities. It's a great game for cat lovers, with a lot of variety in the cats you can collect. The gameplay is simple to learn but offers strategic depth, making it engaging for both casual and experienced players. Number 1. The Cat Lady's Organic Cat Grass Growing Kit. Give your feline friend the best with our premium cat grass blend. It's packed with essential nutrients and fiber to support healthy digestion and act as a natural hairball remedy. Growing your own cat grass is simple and magical. Just add water and seeds, and watch it sprout up to 4 inches in just 4 to 7 days. No special skills needed. Our organic and GMO-free grow kits are beneficial for your cat's health. They also help deter them from chewing on toxic houseplants and digging up your garden. These charming ceramic planters are not only functional but also a beautiful addition to your home decor. They keep your cat happy and healthy while adding a touch of green to your living space. Each kit includes everything you need: 2 stylish ceramic planters with trays, soil discs, organic seeds for planting delicious edible grass, and easy-to-follow instructions. What we like? This kit offers a complete solution for your cat's dietary needs and your home's aesthetic, providing 2 charming ceramic planters. It's an organic and natural way to aid digestion and prevent hairballs. If you have multiple cats or simply want an extra planter for your home, this option is perfect for keeping your pets happy and your decor stylish. What people say. Cat Lady is a delightful game that combines set collection and push your luck mechanics. The artwork is charming and the components are high quality, making it a joy to play. It's easy to learn and plays relatively quickly, making it a great option for families or casual gamers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.